Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this clip, I will guide you on the automatic account nurturing feature using MKT Care software. So, how do we nurture our accounts automatically, autonomously, and prevent them from getting banned? We will select the Account Interaction section. Here, we can choose nurturing scripts by day, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and add more days here. Here, we will select General Interaction, General Script, and then choose to add new days, new scripts. So, we'll choose General Interaction for it to read notifications, scroll through the newsfeed, scroll through a certain number of posts, scroll through stories, or watch videos. Whatever we do daily on Facebook, we let the software perform those actions in bulk, interacting with friends, interacting by UID, by group, by fan page. Once we have selected the actions we want these accounts to perform for nurturing, we will choose the total number of actions we have selected. Earlier, I selected 4, so now I choose 4. And the duration will be 20 to 30 seconds. This covers various intervals and action repetitions. Press Run. Next, we will need to select the accounts that we want to run interactions and nurture. Here, I will select these accounts. So, I will select all. Okay, see? You can select accounts from various categories. We can nurture them together, it doesn't affect anything. We can also nurture them according to the target audience or industry you are aiming for. Here, we will select the script on the right. Then, select the number of times to repeat actions when an account errors, choose whether to automatically change the account's language, and choose to retrieve the account's cookie information. Then, we press Start. If any of you want to experience the software, try it out, or are currently using it and encounter any issues like errors, please contact me. Goodbye. See you in the next clip. Thank you.